When lawyers start a new firm, a lot of times they'll ask, what's the first thing that I should do? And the best advice I would give everyone is that you should begin by documenting your systems. And systems would be the most basic administrative tasks that you do in your firm. So, for example, it's things as simple as opening and closing the receptionist window lock on the door. And I can take you through this. This is Fisherpedia. This is our online policies and procedures where our staff or anyone can come in and create policies for our firm so that if all of your staff leaves today, you'd have all of the policies in place so the new staff could go through all your policies and know exactly what is expected of them. So for example, how to open and close the receptionist window lock on our desk. We basically take screenshots, we can use arrows, point exactly how it's done, and you can supplement that with text that would describe every different feature of your office. So if someone comes to your office and says, well, how do I open this window at the front receptionist desk? All of the information and photographs are right here. It's very simple to add media, it's simple to add video to this, and for every question that you have about your office, how to archive deposition video onto an external hard drive, all the information is right here with the text explanation. So you just add the media files, you can add video to this, and as indicated here, you have samples that have arrows pointing what to do. What you want to do is make everything super simple, brain dead simple for everyone. How to track John's distance traveling around. Again, you have specific instructions on how to do everything so that anyone could look at this and know what to do. The other day, I was on a call with a judge about a case, and the conference call fell apart, and I said, don't worry about it, Judge. I've got this. So I had no idea how to fix it, but I just went into the search bar, conference call. I dialed that up. Conference call came up. I went into it, and it had very specific instructions, including a video on how to do a three-way conference call. I simply followed the instructions, and the day was saved. So that's it. I'm going to do 365 marketing and management tips for lawyers this year. Today is January 1st, 2020, and I am very excited to be with you over the next 365 days. But today, what we're going to look at is very simple stuff like statutes of limitations in New York. Every statute of limitations in the state of New York is listed in Fisherpedia. So if your intake specialist wants to know, what is the deadline to sue in a podiatric malpractice case? No problem. It's all right here. What's the deadline to sue the Metropolitan Transit Authority? It's all right here. All you have to do is go into the search bar. You can put statutes of limitation, and bingo, voila, it's right there. And what you encourage your staff is as they come up with new policies, just ask them, when they ask you a question every day, do we have a policy for that? Because if not, what you're asking them to do is write the policy themselves. So you're not the one responsible for drafting all of these policies. Your staff is doing it for you. They're documenting the most basic administrative things that are duties and tasks in your office. And that's the beauty, because once you package this all up, you have a systems for everything in your law firm. So going back to what I said, the first step for any lawyer or law firm that's just opening up, document your systems. That's it for today. Today is January 1st, 2020. I wish everyone a very happy new year, and I'll look forward to seeing you on video on January 2nd, 2020. See you later.